is unbelievable. We're gonna be making Welsh Black Cake. And we're in Patagonia, in southern Argentina. How can this be? Well, we're outside a place called Trevelin, and that town was founded by Welsh settlers over 150 years ago. Today we're meeting Jenney Evans, and she is going to show the recipe that her grandmother taught her. I'm out of my tree. The community that lives here, they're all Argentinians, but they're very proud of their Welsh heritage. I heard people talking Welsh in the street yesterday. They have a national school and a secondary school is starting, bilingual Welsh and Spanish. Okay, come on, let's go. Hola, Jenney. Hola.
Bienvenido.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Gracias por invitarnos. Okay, come on in. Gracias.
Hola. Hola.
Wow, qué bonito. Wow, what a beautiful place. ¿Cómo se llama tu perro?
Maxi.
Maxi.
Oh, Maxi.
How's it going? How's it going? We make...
Vamos a hacer torta galesa.
Torta galesa. Yeah. Okay guys, this process actually happened yesterday, okay? You've got your raisins, you've got your walnuts, and you can use a liquor like whiskey or cognac. You leave that overnight. In the morning, you boil it up, okay? You simmer it, and you add butter, okay? And there's also sugar in it as well, yes, so there's sugar with it. So that's to save time. Now we're gonna actually start baking.
Esencia de vainilla.
Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, okay, so vanilla extract, a few drops in it. Right, now this is the finest flour you can get. Guys, I'm going to show you something very special about where this flour came from, okay? But I'm going to show you later. Okay, this is baking powder. Yeah, a teaspoon. Okie. And now we have the spices. So this is nutmeg and cinnamon. I've tried this before, it's gorgeous. Okay, so mix this up. Have a look at that, Lucy. If you come to this place, you can actually buy these or you can make them at home now.
Look at
type of thing.
The red.
Yeah, this here is the national anthem of Wales. I can't believe I'm wearing this. I'm so chuffed. This is brilliant. In the middle of Patagonia. Who would have believed it? That's your plop there, look. Okay, plop. There we go. So that's the consistency we're looking for. Great.
Un molde
yeah.
Que tiene unos 100 años. Que traía manteca.
Aha! Yeah, so this is the mold, okay? This is the mold. So a little bit of oil, and actually she puts a bit of flour as well, yeah? A little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. Right, okay. It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty easy so far. Now, there is a bit of history. There is a bit of history to this. It's very, really interesting. And I'm sure the Welsh people watching this know it doesn't actually exist in Wales. Now the reason, okay, and this is the story, is that they celebrate their national day. It's the 28th of July, and as far as I know, that's when the first group arrived, okay, on the Atlantic side, okay? And they celebrated with this cake, but they didn't have all the ingredients that they would have had back in Wales. So they used what they had.
120 grados.
Okay. 120 degrees, yeah.
Unos 30 minutos.
30 minutes, okay. Yeah, okay, so 30 minutes, in it goes. I noticed the oven is not preheated. Jenney normally uses, you know, commercially bought flour, but today I've got her to do one absolutely unique. And what is unique is this, okay? Now I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but we are going back to basics, okay? So you're going to come with us and you're going to see exactly where this came from, okay? Come on, follow me. So this is Mervyn Evans, the brother, okay?
Sláinte!
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 And this is the guy who makes this stuff. Forget electricity, guys. This is what he uses. Water. Have a look at that. The local mill, right? Yeah, so come here. This is where it comes out. This is the flour, but this is brown flour. And this has to be, I don't even know what the word is, but these rotate. Okay, so you get it finer and finer, and this here is from here. That's that. So that's the finest one. Kind that medium, and that's a bit more like brown flour. Now, the most amazing thing about this is that Mervyn, he built this from scratch. As far as I know, the actual mill, they were original stones, but the whole building and everything, all his. This is a passion. He's been building this place for 30 years. Incredible. Here, have a walk through here. The original pianos from the family. Organ. The old Welsh kitchen. As well as the mill, Mervyn has spent the last 3 decades making all of this. This is like a museum, workshop back in the day. Wow. Recreated an old store. Right, the collection of old Fords, Deering, tractor. Okay, so that's been a half an hour, and of course we're going to use this here. We're going to just make sure that it's actually cooked. So if this comes out clean, they're cooked. Right, let's stick that in.
Perfecto.
That looks pretty clean. Okay, we're done. Yeah. Yeah, here look, I didn't quite do them even, but they're close enough. They're close enough. Maybe this one will be a little bit more cooked. This one's a little bit higher, who knows, anyway. I know, smells amazing. They are amazing to smell. As I say, I get that Christmas. Oh, it's reminding me of Christmas. In fact, we're actually doing this in December, by the way. So I'm a long way from home, but this will be a nice reminder with a cup of Irish tea. These are like gold to us, yeah? We brought these from Ireland, but no better place to have them. So we're going to put 3 into the teapot. Make it nice and strong. Whoa, okay, let's have a look. We'll turn it over. Look at that, wow.
Oh, esa está, mira.
Esta.
Pero está tibia.
It's still a bit warm.
¿Qué lleva adentro?
De todo, pa.
Pasa.
Whoa.
Bebida, sí.
Yeah. So Jenney is saying yes, it really should be left a little bit longer to cool down. It's still a little bit warm.
Can I try it?
Of course you can, love. There you go.
Lo especial de esto está acá con harina del molino.
Yo no sé por qué.
Cuidado cuando beba, se le va a caer la nariz dentro de la taza y eso no está bien. Yo no sé por qué.
Parece que el azúcar siempre negra fue y de un susto se puso blanca,
Tal como la ves, yo no sé por qué.
No tenías nombre antes, arroyo cordillerano, nacido al pie de los Andes, tierra de pasto y pantano. Forzamos tu cauce eterno a un canal elevado, caes impulsando al molino, harina tu caudal ha resultado.
Right, a little hidden gem that Jenney has brought us to. This is her great-grandfather's house. Now, he arrived here, he was one of the first settlers in 1900. And this was his home. Okay, so this was actually the fridge, the storeroom. Have a look. So the water, it's a little stream, would keep this room nice and cold. Right. This was the larger of the two, okay, and it was a little bit undercooked in the middle. I used this on the smaller one. I should have used this on the big one. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, so now we have another one. Perfect. Now, Jenney told me something interesting though, which is that you normally wouldn't eat this the same day. Best to leave it like 2 days and then use it. Or even better, stick it in the freezer and that kind of concentrates the flavour. So that's the key to this, okay? If not, it goes a little bit crumbly. So, Lucy, we can have this for our tea tonight. Excellent. Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Jenney, muchas gracias.
Gracias a ustedes, un placer haberlos recibido y que salga muy rica.
Okay, y viva Gales, viva Gales.
Y Argentina.
Y Argentina. Viva sí, Gales y Argentina. What an experience. Right, okay guys, you know what you have to do. You have to pass this on to all your friends, right? Because we found out that's the best thing to help us with this channel. Pass it on, but also do a like and also do a follow, also do a notification. Whatever you do, follow us in the next adventure. And until then, take it easy, but take it